The HealthSmart Toilet Seat Riser 522-1503-1900 is a practical and comfortable addition to any standard round toilet bowl, as it enhances the height by 5 inches. This seat riser is particularly beneficial for those recovering from surgery, dealing with a handicap, or experiencing any disability that makes sitting and standing difficult. Unlike many other products, this seat riser does not require any assembly and can be easily moved and repositioned as needed. The product includes 3 large slip-resistant pads, which ensure the riser remains firmly attached to the toilet bowl, providing stability and durability. Despite its robust construction and ability to support up to 300 pounds, the HealthSmart Toilet Seat Riser is lightweight and portable. With a high review score of 4.3 from over 123 reviews, this product from HealthSmart is a trusted choice for enhanced bathroom comfort and safety.